Stop cooking dry chicken. Today I'll show you how to make chicken tenderloins so juicy, you'll never eat them any other way. Start with 1 pound of chicken tenderloins. Pat them dry, then season with salt, pepper, garlic powder and paprika. Heat olive oil in a skillet. Sear each side for 2-3 minutes until golden brown, and they stay tender inside. Now here's twist, melt butter. Toss in fresh garlic and parsley, then coat the chicken for a rich garlic butter glaze. Or go sweet and spicy. Mix honey, soy sauce and chili flakes, drizzle it over, and let it caramelize for that sticky, flavorful bite. Want something extra? Sprinkle mozzarella and parmesan on top, broil for 2 minutes, and you've got cheesy, gooey chicken tenderloins. 3 twists, 1 recipe: garlic butter, honey chili or cheesy crust. Try them all and tell me your favorite in the comments.